Hi everyone, we're here today in Whitby for the fish and chips, that's chips, not chips, ships, fish and chips festival. So come along with us on our adventures today. There's the abbey up on the hillside there. So the festival is all through Whitby. So over there in the car park is all the marquees and things and stalls. There's supposed to be some street entertainment going on as well, so should be good.
Grab a little bit of footage of the harbour. Lovely fine morning. Plenty of boats in. An abbey up on the hillside. Beautiful first thing in the morning.
You would have been surrounded by the sights and sounds of the shipwright, chiselling and hammering away. This was the location of Fishburn Yard, one of the large number of shipyards which once lined the River-esque. From these yards all manner of sea-going vessels were built.
Working, aren't they? Making boats. What, darling? What? This big boat here, look.
Where?
Here.
Oh, huge! Pirate boat.
I know.
It's a pirate boat.
Restaurant on there now.
Is that a boat for you to go on?
It's a restaurant, it doesn't go out to sea, darling. Wasn't it? Hey? What? Cafe. Other side of the town. Isn't it? Just over there, just over the bridge. So up over the bridge. And just a bit further on. Well, you can walk past that way if you want. Wait for him here. Having a look there. Hey? Yeah. They're lovely, these, aren't they? I've been saying that for about 4 years. You have.
Calm down.
Other side of what?
Why is there a tire?
Don't
Why
know.
is there a cone?
Oh yeah.
It's a lovely day here in Whitby. So it's going to be a great day for the fish and chips festival today. So this is the cafe that we always come to, just here. It's a really nice cafe. They do some lovely food and stuff in here. So and they've got some lovely cakes and sandwiches in the window. This is one of my favourites. It's lovely, that one is. Not had it today though because I'm on a diet. So I'm trying to be good. Leave all the eating to Elliot and Mark.
Yeah. I'm a fool.
Right, well there's not much here, but there's a few stalls and some marquees for entertainment and that's going on throughout the day. Some little foodie vendors here as well. It's on for 2 days every year. These are different stalls that are here. No. There's not much, but there's it's like that there. There's a bar and that in there as well. Some kids' trampolines there. And there's quite a few people in this one over here. I think there's some food demonstrations are going on or something. A lot of charity things here as well. For lifeboat and things. But yeah, like I say, it's not massive. And throughout the day there's different things going on. So yeah, but it's a good day out, and we've enjoyed walking around Whitby anyway. But yeah, so like I said, there's some few bits here. We've seen Chili Man somewhere before, like our food festivals when we do them, and the Scotch egg guy. And brown and blonde is always wherever we go. And there's this tent here for the kids, so I'm not going to video in there unless I just video him doing something if he decides to do something in here. But this is for the kids there and family to go and do some bits and bats. So it's just been in the creativity tent doing some bits and bats. I'm going to let Elliot tell you what he did now. So here we go.
Hello.
Hold on.
So I did. So there's in there you could get a free book, and this is what I got. And there I drew something, and then it went on a big crab.
And then doing a parade with it tomorrow.
Yeah, they're doing a parade with it, and yeah, it was really fun in there.
Enjoy that, yeah?
Yeah, I really liked it.
Oh, good. So, while we're here in Whitby, we always go here to Trenchers, which is lovely. So this is where we're going for our meal today as well. There we go. It's lovely inside, and the staff are so amazing. They're really, really friendly and welcoming. So yeah, we're going in there today. So this is the menu. It's lovely, this. So there we go. Just a little bit about the place. Been here a long time. And starters, salads, and extras. Sorry. Something a bit different to do other stuff. Other bits and bats.
Well, Pepsi.
No.
Pepsi Max.
And
Could I get
children's
a regular?
meals
You can.
and desserts.
Tina.
Drinks, and that's it. So if you want to pause and read through that as well, you can do. Well, we've had a great day here at Whitby for the Fish and Chips Festival. It's been really good. Trenches was absolutely amazing as always. So it's recommended to go to Trenches for your fish and chips when you're here for the day or for on holiday. So yeah, brilliant. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.